thought for today. The need for reparation. I'll say it again. The need for reparation. After 400 years of slavery, the God of heaven felt justified in giving the Israelites reparation. You see, he said to Moses that the Israelites would not leave Egypt empty-handed, with nothing. He put it into the minds and hearts of the Egyptians to give them the wealth of Egypt. And he said to Moses, put the children out front and put the gold and the silver and the valuables upon them. You see, it was for them and their children. Even Martin Luther King realized that we as a people have not been paid. Yet the Native Americans have been paid. Yet the Jews of Germany have been paid. But we have an imaginary concept of freedom. Until the process is complete, we're still slaves. Even though we've been emancipated, we have not been paid to make the process complete. No matter how much money we have or how much wealth we have in America, we're still slaves until we get paid. Now that's something to think about and talk about to your family and your friends. Let's complete the process. Y'all have a good day.